You will need to have the following items on hand prior to replacing the flushing foam: 2 pieces of flushing foam, latex gloves, lint-free wipes, and a door key. Your GTX600 will prompt an error once it is time to perform the replacement of the flushing foam. If any other error or message is displayed, perform the required cleaning or replacement after replacing the flushing foam. From the error screen, press Menu OK and scroll down to Maintenance. With Maintenance highlighted, press Menu OK. Highlight Maintenance Part Clean Replace and press Menu OK. Select Replace Maintenance Unit Parts and press Menu OK. Press Menu OK in response to the following instructions on the screen. The carriage will then move into position. Complete this task within 15 minutes to prevent the printheads and maintenance station from encountering possible damage. Taking the door key, proceed to open both upper left side doors to access the maintenance station. Before commencing, ensure you are wearing gloves and have 2 new flushing foams and lint-free wipes on hand. Start by removing the white side flushing foam and immediately place a lint-free wipe underneath to keep ink droplets from dripping out. Then remove the CMYK side flushing foam in the same manner. After both used flushing foams have been removed, take a lint-free wipe and clean gloves for excess ink. Take the new flushing foams and place them into both the white and CMYK side slots. Ensure the flushing foam is set under the tabs and does not stick out, as it can interfere with the printhead, causing nozzles to be damaged. Then close and lock the left-hand side doors. Return to the control panel and press Menu OK to move the carriage and print heads back into position. Before resuming printing, print nozzle checks for both white and color to ensure no nozzles are missing. Dispose of all ink-contaminated material in accordance with applicable laws.